Tawagin muna natin. Etong ating stewardess, si Saida.
Okay.
Uy! What are you saying? Hindi ka pa namin tinatanong. Anong sinasabi mo?
I'm lip-syncing the address of the tape office.
Do you know where it is located?
Number 79 Xavier Hills Avenue, Loyola Heights, Quezon City.
Very good. What about the address of Broadway?
Broadway Centrum. No, Il Bulaga Studios, Broadway Centrum, Aurora Boulevard, Quezon City.
May pimatang ito.
Ba? Oo nga, maasul.
Anong kulay yan?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, ano to?
What's this?
May
Oh,
kape. Tsaka
there's coffee.
Why the coffee?
I prepared coffee and broas.
Nagbo-bro ka pala.
Ikaw naman, parang ngayon ka lang nakakita ng bros. Wow.
Hindi, acting like... Bro.
Wow, how does it taste?
It's sweet.
Sweet.
And yes.
Pinangiilalim lang ngayon sa mga cake yan eh.
Opo, sinasawsaw.
Sinasawsaw.
Okay. It's so the bros.
Would you like to make sausaw in my kape?
Sure, sir.
Sure?
I'll get
Okay.
one and I'll make some.
Why don't you feed parang Joey?
No.
To make it soft.
Oh.
And then I'll bite it.
Oh, ba't ikaw kumain?
You make sausaw? What? You make sausaw to make it soft? Ganun ba yun?
Yeah, it's softer when you make sausaw. Before, it's hard.
Thank you, Saida.
Okay.